McKinley. What's an elephant say? McKinley. Turn around.
Hey, McKinley. Show Mommy. What does an elephant say?
Do the nose. Turn around and do it.
Show Mommy. What's an elephant?
Show Mommy.
Turn. Put it right here. 90 degrees.
What's an elephant say?
Jonathan says 90
You do it.
That's a tail.
McKinley. Hey.
No.
McKinley. McKinley.
Double trunk elephants. What's an elephant say, McKinley?
I need her to do it this way.
Hey, look at Mama.
Oh, that's
Hey.
push-up, man.
What does an elephant say, McKinley?
Okay.
Okay.
What's an elephant say?
Right here.
Right to her. Say it to her.
What's
Tell
an
me.
elephant say? Ready?
Tell Mommy.
1, 2, 3.
You love that, man.